Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So yesterday I was talking about how we possibly may push down for a wave Y. Now I still think that is possible because we did have an impulsive down and a break of structure. So this move up right here could definitely end up being a pullback within a downtrend. The problem is that the daily and the weekly are definitely 100% in an uptrend. When you're very high time frames or in an uptrend, you go down to these short time frames and start coming up with counter trend analysis. A lot of the times, the higher time frame trend is your friend, and it just keeps on going. So definitely be aware of those high time frame trends. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, on this time frame, I would want to put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. If it does make three waves up to a fib level and then turn down impulsively, like a nice engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a short. I mean, to me, it definitely did make like a five-way pattern down. So if it makes five down, three up, and then bounces from a fib level, that should be the end of either a wave B or a wave two. If it really is like a WXY on the 4 hour time frame, it should be the end of a wave two, and it should make a pretty decent move down. But like I said, the higher time frames are king, and those are definitely in a uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.